Rockville. Ooh, nice. This thing's heavy. This thing's like a wow. Let's see. 18 pounds. Let's say 17, 18 pounds. Pretty nice. Okay. Good stuff. Alright. Just set this aside. So we got the mounting. Oh, this is for the leg, for the foot. To put the foot on the thing. Okay. This is for the foot. Oh, this is the controller. This is the volume control. The power sub level controller. Ooh, nice. I like this. Nice, very nice. And then this is the controller cable. This is the cable. This is cool. I like this. Very good packaging. Heavy duty. So then you plug this in here like a telephone wire. Yep. And you plug right into the sub. And then got a thank you purchasing card. And perhaps the warranty slip as well. And this also got the instruction manual instruction. Cool. Okay, this away. Now let's check on this thing, huh? What I got here. This is the sub. This is I believe it was 12 inches. Was it 12? No, 10 inches, I'm sorry. 10 inches low profile active subwoofer. So 10 inches, 600 watt. Okay, this one is a 600 watt. Yeah, this one is powerful. Right here. Not gonna lie to you. Yeah, 10 inches slim under seat subwoofer. It put out the output power 200 watt IMS mono blocks at the 2 ohms and 1% THD plus N. Signal to the noise ratio 95 dB. Dynamic power is 800 watt. People, 800 watt at the 2 ohms. Okay, dimension 12.4 by 13.4, and the height is 2.7. Okay, in inches. Okay, frequency 20 hertz to 150 hertz, 150 Hz. Sensitivity. Okay. All right. Whoa, that's pretty cool. This thing's heavy. Well, I said, yeah, 18 pounds. 18 pounds. Okay. Wow, that looks nice. This thing is nice. Yeah, this thing's beautiful. Metal, steel metal. Very good quality. Beautiful color. 10 inches. Beautiful color. And then there's a low input with the RCA low input, and also the high input harness. I don't see it. Thank you. Really? Oh, it comes with it. Oh, it does come with it. Okay. That's what I thought. I saw that. I saw that on the website. They come with the high input harness. So this one you connect these wires. They got the white, gray, and black. White, gray, black, and got to connect to the speaker. Cut the speaker wires on your vehicle, and then connect these ends into the speaker wires. And this thing just plug right to, what is it? Plug right to here, like that. Okay, and then the other end of the controller, the sub controller, this end, and you just plug right here in the bottom, like that. Okay. Oh, nice. This is beautiful. Beautiful build, beautiful quality, heavy duty aluminums on here. Aluminum, beautiful blue color. Love it. This is so beautiful. Quality. Wow. This is quality. And this is not expensive. I mean, you know what I mean? This is really good deal. I can't wait to hear the sound of this thing. Can't wait. Yeah. But that's it, guys. Please write me the comment below. Subscribe. Please like and subscribe and leave me the comment what you think. Okay. Thank you so much.